Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me Shakshi. Today we will study class 9 class number 1 economics, the story of village Palampur. So let's begin. It is an imaginary village. The basic concept of making this chapter so we can study some basic concept related to the production and living life of the people in the villages. Farming is the main activity of village Palampur and several other activities also like manufacturing, dairy transport, etc. These production activities need various type of resources, natural resource, man-made items, human efforts, money, etc. Palampur is well connected with the neighbor villages and towns such as Raiganj is a big village is 3 km from Palampur and the road connected the village Raiganj and further on near a small town of Shahpur. Many kind of transport are on the road like Tonga cart by buffaloes load with jaggeries. Jaggeries means gur hota hai. About the families of village Palampur. The village has about 450 families belonging to several different castes. The 80 families are upper caste and own majority of land in village, where houses are large. The SC and the less compromised one-third of the population live in the corner of village. They have small houses made of mud and straw. 150 families remaining the other families who own have land. 40 families cultivate a small plot of land less than 2 hectares in size. Cultivation of such plots does not bring more income to the farmer families. Village Palampur has 2 primary school and 1 high school. There is primary health care center run by government and 1 primary dispensary where patients are treated. Most houses have well developed electric connections. These all descriptions show that Palampur is well developed system of road, transport, electricity, school, healthcare, etc. They have not non-farming activities also include small scale manufacturing, transport, shopkeeping, etc. Organization of production. The aim of production is to produce goods and services that we wanted. There are 4 equipments required for production goods and services: land, natural resource, water, forest and minerals, labor, people who will work, and physical capital. It means the variety of input required at every stage of during production. Types of physical capital. There are 2 types of physical capital: fixed capital and working capital. Fixed capital are those that are fixed, example tools and machines, etc. Working capital are those that are not fixed, we have to buy again and again, raw materials such as seeds and money. And 4th type is human capital. Land is fixed. As we know, farming is the main production activities in Palampur. 75% of people who are working and depend on the farming for their livelihood can be farmers or farmer laborers. Since 1960, in Palampur have no expansions in land areas under cultivation. Standard unit of measuring land is hectare in Palampur and local unit are Baiga and Gyunta, etc. 1 hectare is equal to the area of square with one side measuring 100 meter. About multiple cropping. To grow more than one crop on piece of land during this year is known as multiple cropping. During the rainy season, Kharif farmers grow jowar and bajra. It is followed by cultivation of potato between October and November. In winter season, Rabi fields are sown with wheat. Wheat are sold in market as Raiganj, sugarcane or jaggery, sold to traders in Shahpur. Persian wheelers are used in irrigation than the sow. Electricity run tubers and could irrigate much larger area land more effectively. Private, you have to set up a middle in 1970. Other ways to use modern farming methods for highest yield. Farmer used to use cow dung, other natural manure and fertilizers. The Green Revolution is late 1960s introduced Indian farmers to cultivate a wheat and rice using high yield variety seeds. Chemical and fertilizers, irrigation and pesticides. The farmer of Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh was the first try out the modern farming method in India. The yield of wheat grown from traditional varieties from 13 kg per hectare with HYV seeds and the yield went up 3200 kg per hectare. Land sustain. It is very important. In many areas, green revolution is associated with loss of soil fertility. Due to this, increase of chemical fertilizers, due to increase of tube wells, well irrigations, has led to depletion of water table environment, resources like soil fertility and groundwater. That's why we should have to take care of environment and issue future and for development of irrigation. Land distribution in Palampur, about one third of or one for 450 families are landless. 150 families, most of them are Dalits and have no land for cultivation. 240 families cultivate small plots or lands less than 2 hectares in size. 60 families or medium or large families who cultivate more than 2 hectares of lands. This is the land distribution of Palampur. What is labours? Labours. Some farmers, along with the families, cultivated their own food. Thus, they provide the labour required for farming themselves. Medium or large farmers hire the farmers from the work of their own field. Level of medium or large farmer is small farmer, no large farmer, no land farmers. In term of wages, some laborers get meal also and some get crop also. They get less money. About sale of surplus farm products. Surplus means extra production. In case of small farmers did not have extra land, so the wheat that they grow only spent for their family members. But in case of large farmers have more land, so they can crop more crops, so they sold rest of the crop at Raiganj. No non-farm activities in Palampur: dairy farming, small-scale manufacturing, shopkeeping, transport. These are non-farming activities in Palampur. We will study little about all these activities. Dairy farming. The people feed buffaloes on various kind of grass and jawaras and bajra. Grow in rainy season. The milk is sold in Raiganj, a nearby large village. Milk is shorted in chilling centers where Raiganj and the other people places milk is transferred. Small scale manufacturing, less than 50% are engaged, because as we know, manufacturing has taken places in big factories in towns and cities, and manufacturing in Palampur involves very simple production method. Very rarely laborers are hired. Shopkeepers, people involved in trades. Many people sell their items like rice, wheat, sugar, tea or biscuits etc. They sell various goods from wholesale market in the cities or the villages. Transport. There are variety of vehicles on road connecting the Palampur to Raiganj. As we have studied earlier, that transport have also in Palampur. Example: rickshawalas, tongawalas, jeep, tractor, truck drivers, etc. Transport help people to go one place to another, and goods also. So the number of people in transport have grown over a large several years. Thank you. Hope you understand all about the village Palampur.